This is a brand new Kindle Fire HD6 tablet, and Charge is giving it away on December the 7th. And you have an opportunity to get it into your hands by purchasing a raffle ticket for just $10. That's right, you could win the brand new Kindle Fire HD6 tablet with HD resolution, dual core processor, dual band Wi-Fi. And you can also play games, surf the internet, check your email, or use the built-in Office suite using Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files. This is one of the hottest new tablets on the market right now. And just for $10 a ticket, it could be all yours when we draw on Sunday, December the 7th at 10:45 a.m. All proceeds will go towards the Charge 2015 Acquire the Fire Spring Break trip. So why not purchase a ticket? You may just win. If you're interested in helping Charge sell tickets, please contact Pastor